Look at this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill that son of a bitch. But he's probably watching along how to disassemble your steering column in car, part 3. We're on to the ignition lock assembly. The black Torx head screw there. That's what holds it in. That is a T20 Torx. Lefty loosey. Slides out. You see that's a long pin. Threaded on the end. Alright. And you can slide this out. That's it. There's your ignition lock cylinder. Has a groove in the end. That socket slides in here and engages that tab in the center there and turns it. There's also a groove in the bottom of the bore that these tabs line up in. I believe, and I'm always stand to be corrected, but that this plastic part here has something to do with holding the key in while it's turned on, you know, so you can't pull it out. Now this key is pretty worn, so it'll come out. I believe that's the function of that. I'm sure it will be discussed. We got that out. Now we're going after these 3 upper housing mounting bolts. They are a Torx 40. Size 40. Lefty loosey. And that should loosen up your upper housing, as you can see. This whole upper housing, see that? Now as you separate it, here is your right here. This is a separate piece of housing. It's just held in by pressure. You know, it's grooved. You know, locks into this piece. So once you pull it apart, it's going to want to fall out. Of course, it won't when this is still in. This is your tilt lever. So I'll leave that in for now. This is where it gets fun. So you start sliding this off, and you can see, you know, this starts to sink into the bore, so that's going to be inside. So let me work this off. Hold on.